Maruti Suzuki India has launched the Smart Maintenance Plus plan for existing Maruti Suzuki car owners across private and commercial domain. The company is calling flexible and customer-centric maintenance plans, which aim to uplift vehicle ownership to owners, offering greater peace of mind. The SMP has been launched with multiple benefits. There are prepaid after-sale maintenance plans designed for flexibility to suit buyers' needs and demands based on their requirement. Apart from private buyers, Maruti is also giving it for fleet owners and commercial buyers. Under the SMP's existing Maruti Suzuki, private and commercial owners can choose from a wide variety of service configuration. Some of the services include labor-only parts and labor, commercial vehicle minor service, customer demand service, engine oil and coolant. Extending the service can also be optional wear and tear coverage based on parts like clutch, brakes, and amongst others. There's a savings like minimum 10% savings on labor costs, additional savings on parts and consumable, even protection against future inflation of service that falls under SMP. It's available on Pan India at any Maruti Suzuki authorized workshop, irrespective of the location. Buyers can choose between 10-year and mileage options. Some are 2 years for 20,000, 5 years 50,000, even a long-term 10-year 1 lakh kilometers for private vehicle. For commercial vehicle, SMPs can extend up to 10 years 1,60,000 kilometers. It's a prepaid service and designed across individual driving needs. Customers can customize service packages. This also protects them from future fluctuations and service costs. Through this initiative, they aim to enhance trust and long-term value for the customers.